We got another one on the log set. Let's go get it. That's what I love about that old Tacticam. Let us know we got us another one that just got done storming. Kind of surprised it caught anything really. Traps ain't all washed out. But anyway, y'all come go with us. We're gonna go get them. Alright, I don't know how good you can see me, but like I said, it just got done storming, so it is a muddy one. But go check it out. The old coyote. Let's get him on out of here. We can get home, get back in bed. This joker here has forevermore wrecked my log set. So we ain't gonna try to do nothing with it tonight. We got you done got two traps, the 450 and a 550. He has wrecked it. Or she, whatever it is, I can't tell. We're gonna go ahead and get it taken care of, get it out of here. And hope y'all enjoy watching this. Alright, like I said, I ain't gonna worry about a remake tonight. It is nasty, muddy. We're gonna go ahead and get it out of here. Thank y'all for watching. We got tight chains again. Thank you to Tacticam for letting me know that it's here. Anyway, it's muddy, nasty, it's late, but that's part of traffic. You gotta do it. You gotta take care of business when it's muddy, dry, it don't matter.